On Halloween, a pumpkin can grow right on your head. Watch your hair! It's time to decorate the house for Halloween. Let's start on our eerie decorations. We have some space for a pumpkin. Let's dim the lights. Swap funny pictures for mysterious candles. And weave a black cobweb. I just need to put on a witch hat. Hey, I want a spooky accessory too. Sure thing. What about an extra pair of eyes? Attach googly eyes to a foam sheet. Cut off the excess. Hot glue the eyes to a headband. A headband with small mysterious eyes will remind you what day it is today. It's Halloween! Keep your eyes wide open! This vampire family is getting ready for a Halloween ball. You need a nice hairstyle. Make a French braid starting from the top strands. But this is way too simple for a demonic ball. Let's add a bat. Weave a rubber bat into the braid. Fasten the bat with strands of hair and keep on braiding. Done! Even Dracula's grandson will notice you with this hairstyle. Our little client is looking for a Halloween look. I'll try to turn his hair into a cute jack-o'-lantern. Put a cotton pad onto the crown of the head. Color the hair with orange hairspray. Paint the crown green. Cut a pumpkin face out of black felt and attach it to the back. So, what do you think? Do you like your new hair? I love it! I will be the happiest pumpkin ever! Ah! More monsters? Nope, it's just me. I want to do your hair in a very creative way. Part the hair in half. Put one side into a ponytail. Divide the bottom of the other half horizontally. Make a thin ponytail. Separate another strand of hair and tie this strand to the ponytail at the bottom. Keep on doing this up until the top. Put the hair into a bun. Fasten it with hairpins. Do the same on the other side. Decorate the hairstyle with colorful spider clips. Coat plastic spiders with spray paint and hot glue them to hair clips. Wow! This is so awesome! Spiders braided my hair! They are not scary at all. Now let's take cute photos! I'm ready to celebrate Halloween! Are you cooking Halloween lunch? Loose hair is not allowed in the kitchen. Sit down. I'll create a nice hairstyle. Put the hair into a ponytail. Wrap it around a hair donut. Make a bun. Put a cardboard ring onto it so you don't color the rest of your hair. And paint the bun with orange hairspray. There is just one tiny thing left. We need to decorate our pumpkin with leaves. Done! When it's Halloween, the more pumpkins, the better! We are getting ready to trick or treat. I dressed up as a bad hairstylist, and your skeleton outfit is always trendy. You just have to slightly fix your hair. Let's see what we can do here. Put the hair up using hairstyling wax. Attach clips with eyes to the front strands. That's not all yet. Let's add details. Create a monster smile using face paint. And little hands on the temples. Now the look is complete. Take your broom and go join your coven. Boo! Did I scare you? No, Redhead is not scared at all. But if you actually want to scare someone else, then you should create a spooky hairstyle. Put your hair into a high ponytail. Put on 2 hair donuts so it's higher. Cover them with hair. Fasten a hair tie at the base of the bun. Then put the hair up and make a ponytail. Tease it and attach hair clips with a monster eye and teeth to the front. Here's a hairy monster! It's time to scare passerbys! Draw a circle on foam paper. Cut it out. Attach a few smaller colorful circles on top. Also cut out foam paper teeth. Attach the eye and the teeth to hair clips. Hide! Hey! We are having a nice chat when suddenly a monster popped out from behind the couch. Ah! A hairy beast! Or no, this is just a new hairstyle. The end of October is full of deadlines. And my sister is asking me to do her hair for Halloween, but I don't have any time.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, fine. But it'll have to be quick. We will create a hairstyle out of whatever we have lying around. It'll do for Halloween. What is this? A spider web in a bag? How cute! Stretch it out. Put the web onto hair and fasten it with a headband. Decorate it with cute spiders. Wrap the spider web around the rest of the hair. Your quick hairstyle is ready! Just don't catch any flies with it! So what now? I just did your hair! But it's not enough for my sister! She wants a complete look with face paint! Ah, all right. Goodbye, job. Hello, Dia de los Muertos. Remove the spider web. Pin back the hair and color the face. Apply white face paint. Paint black circles around the eyes. Also paint the tip of the nose black. Add thin lines starting from the corners of the lips. And paint perpendicular lines. Add petals around the circles. Paint a red flower on the forehead and paint a similar one on the chin. Color the petals near the eyes red. A flower crown will complete the look. Hot glue artificial flowers to a headband. Cut ribbons and melt the edges with a lighter. Hot glue the ribbons to the sides of the headband. Decorate the joints with flowers. There you go, Mexican beauty. Are you happy? Yeah, now I like my look. Hasta la vista, baby! Did you like our hairstyles? Then comment below which one of them you'll pull off this Halloween. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new creative hairstyles from Troom.